Visual Composer is the new EVE tool, allowing you to know the 110 finished proposals of Color Trend Habitat, the color design Leclerc program specific for the furniture world. Thanks to the original painted samples and to the frame-made scheme, you will have the opportunity to appreciate from real the proposal quality and to have an experience of endless possible combinations, aiming at the right harmony or ideal contrast for your project. Enter the Visual Composer and let yourself be influenced by the marvelous collections which were chosen and arranged for you. You will test indications and suggestions of the CTH, as well as deepen the technical information, making easier the selection of colors and finishes. Tone and saturation harmonies, brightness contrast, metachromatic and material schemes, haptic effects, but also three-dimensional manufactured items and luminous reflections. Visual Composer proposes all these and much more.